Hey, what is up, you guys? I just wanted to make a quick announcement before the end of the year because starting January, some of these plugins I'm about to show you will not be available for free. So right now, you got to go to djtechtools.com, check out this article right here. Let me go to it. So this article right here is pretty much just the holiday giveaway from companies like Ableton and Native Instruments that are giving away some free drum loops from Ableton. Native Instruments is giving away a bunch of a few Tractor remix sets and a compressor. So let me get back to Ableton. So this is the compressor that they're giving away. It's gonna cost $25 starting January. So you want to make sure you download this tonight, like literally this second before it becomes unavailable, and you'll have to pay for it. And it's just a basic tube emulation of tube compressor emulation, and it's just a basic compressor, and it has some nice stuff. So it has a nice tone to it that makes it a little bit different from other emulations of compressors and such, and it's free, so you want to make sure you get that now. And let's see, then Ableton also gave a bunch of, let me see where these packs are. Cannot remember what it was called. It's probably one of these. Oh well, but yeah, again, make sure you go to this link. It'll be in the description below. Just make sure you go Ableton, get these drum packs, go Native Instruments, get these Tractor remix sets, and get that compressor, because it's all free and it's going to be unavailable starting January. So that's pretty much my quick announcement. Thanks you guys for watching all year long. Next year we're going to have some really cool stuff for you guys, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.